What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe. And today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is NP-38497-1. SharePlay is experiencing network issues. So it's a PSN network or a SharePlay is not going to work. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go. You simply just go to your kind of friends, no, not the friends. So simply you just go to the party, and here we go to the start a party, and here is the close party setup here, and the SharePlay. And SharePlay, here you get it to the SharePlay, and then you just test your SharePlay connection, test speed. Here we go, and just wait simply for the testing speed on the SharePlay sections, and waiting for the results. Here is a true low, so your internet connection is not suitable for your SharePlay applications. So just go back to your settings and you must check your internet connection. I'm just going to suggest you use a wide LAN cable from router to PlayStation 4 for the better speed. And if you want to SharePlay or remote play, you want it, so simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic.